Preserving natural heritage. Conservation efforts in Lucerne Valley's surrounding areas. Lucerne Valley, with its stunning landscapes and rich biodiversity, is a treasure trove of natural heritage. From the rugged peaks of the San Bernardino Mountains to the expansive desert plains, this region boasts a diverse array of ecosystems that support a wide variety of plant and animal species. However, as urbanization and development encroach upon these pristine environments, there is a growing need to safeguard and preserve Lucerne Valley's natural heritage for future generations. One individual who is deeply committed to the preservation of Lucerne Valley's natural heritage is Manoucher Sarbaz, the president and CEO of Rancho Lucerne Master Plan Development. Through sustainable land use practices and habitat restoration initiatives, Sarbaz and his team are working to ensure that Lucerne Valley's natural beauty remains intact for future generations to enjoy. Through outreach programs, workshops, and educational events, stakeholders are working to foster a sense of environmental stewardship and inspire action to protect Lucerne Valley's natural heritage. Preserving Lucerne Valley's natural heritage is essential for maintaining the region's ecological integrity and ensuring the well-being of its inhabitants. Through collaborative conservation efforts, stakeholders are working to restore and protect key habitats, promote sustainable land management practices, and engage local communities in conservation initiatives. With the dedication and commitment of individuals like Manoucher Sarbaz, Lucerne Valley's natural beauty will continue to thrive for generations to come, serving as a testament to the importance of conservation in safeguarding our planet's precious ecosystems.